not to let you in. Fall.
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're actually going to do a haul because it is my birthday, or it was my birthday a few weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to filming. Along with that though, I just want to say before we get into it, that because it is my birthday, I decided that I wanted to pick a charity that I wanted to donate to, because I try to volunteer on my birthday, but I couldn't this year. And I usually try to donate, or if people ask me what to give me that aren't like my very close immediate family, I'm always like, donate to the local shelter or donate to a local organization. So I decided that I wanted to pick a charity that's more of a larger charity that I want to support this year. And if you want to, you can too. It is linked down below in the description, but it's A21, which is an anti-sex trade organization, and it's just doing really good work. I don't want to talk about it too much because I don't want to get flagged by YouTube or have this taken down, but it's doing really good work, and a link to their website will be down below. So if you want to donate, or if you want to just check them out in general, read some of their information, they're doing so much in terms of education, as well as and preventative measures, as well as actual work to help find people and help survivors recover afterward. But other than that, let's get into it. So you might have noticed I didn't give you guys a candle of the day, and that's because the first thing we actually have is my candle of the day is called Week from Hell, Pass the Vodka, from this super cute local company, or not local company, small company called Bossy Pants Candles, especially because of what's happening right now. This is my normal personality too, but especially because of what's happening right now, I really wanted to focus on supporting small companies, whether local companies or small companies that I really admire. So all of my birthday presents, except for one, are from a small company. I think the one might be from a small company, but it's like my mom found it, so I don't really know. And then we also bought from a local bakery for dessert. We bought from a local restaurant for food. We really tried to make sure everything was local, because obviously, like, celebrating your birthday is not the most important thing right now, and so if you're gonna do it at all, you should do it right, or at least how I think I should have done it, that I feel an obligation to do it. No shame for if you had a birthday or if you did it any other way. Anyway, like I was saying, Bossy Pants candles, I got 3. They're all like super cute names with cute little byline, like Pass the Vodka, and this one smells like raspberry sangria. It smells like fruit punch, honestly. I love it. It's probably my favorite, which is why it's the candle of the day. I had it burning a little bit earlier, and I'm trying to burn them very slowly so I get the most use out of them as I can. So it's not burning right now, but it's a very fragrant smell. All of them are. If you have the top off, it will make your room smell like that. The other one is Quarter-Life Crisis, which is Welcome to Adulthood. I hope you like crying, with eucalyptus and spearmint, and it's very relatable and smells amazing. I picked like the 2 of the things that I thought were safest, and then one that I just like really wanted to smell. So that's what I picked. And then this one is called Beach Please. Get me to the beach ASAP. And it smells like a pina colada. And it's great. It's great. It makes me happy. But also sad. But yes. So that is the first thing. The next thing is this absolutely gorgeous palette from Aether Beauty Co. I'm getting really into makeup, and I want to make sure that I start supporting more zero waste makeup. And this is a palette. It's made of crystals, which is super cool and fun. It's super beautiful. It's like a purple color scheme, but there's a little bit of warm tones, a little bit of cool tones. It's so beautiful, and it's perfect, and I've used it a few times already, and it's just so beautiful, and it works really well. Dry brush, wet brush, finger, anything, it blends. It's beautiful. I really, really like it. And it's a woman-owned company, actually, from here in the Bay Area, which is really, really cool. It's 100% recyclable packaging, which is like the first palette of its kind that does that. So it doesn't come with a magnet or a mirror. It's just really, really amazing. There's like a ton of stuff. It's talc-free, lab-formed mica, and so they can make sure that it's child labor-free. It's made in the United States. It's all like fair trade grown resources. It's a ton of stuff, and it's really, really cool, and it's really great that I was able to support a local company through getting it as well, or a local woman. and it's so beautiful. I've already used it a few times and I love it so much. I'm kind of glad that I had like 2 weeks because I got to use everything and like tell you that I love everything, because I've actually used it, which is really cool. So the next thing is this blush from Elate Cosmetics. So Elate has this really cool system where you actually can get compacts like this. There's a size for blush, there's a size for brow products. They have actual palettes that you can have multiple things in. They have a foundation powder one, but it's all like bamboo, reusable palettes, and then they will actually send you a refill. I actually have a refill. It will come into my story a little bit later, but I actually have a refill, and they send it to you in this seed paper that can be planted and watered, and it will grow, which is really, really cool. But their whole thing is like having a simplified routine, having everything together so you can just like have the meditativeness that it's putting on makeup, which I definitely believe in. I feel like makeup makes me so relaxed, and the routine of putting it on is definitely a stress reliever for me. But like what's cool is you can have this, and maybe you want like a lighter color in the spring and the winter, and then in the summer and the fall when you have a little bit more of a tan, you can use a darker color. Then you could always get a darker refill, and so that's what I think is really cool about it. And they'll all go inside this palette. And so yeah, Elate is something that I want to check out more of in the future. I think it's a really good thing to use when I'm not super excited about anything that any other company is coming out, so that I'm minimizing my waste. Mine unfortunately came shattered, like the whole, I don't want to turn it too much. I really tried to repress it, but this whole part was shattered, and there were some parts around the edges here that were shattered. And I was honestly really upset about it. I was really sad because I was just like, I really want to support this company, and I was super excited about trying it, and I've been wanting to try something from them for forever. I wasn't mad at Elate. I wasn't like upset. I wasn't like, I'm not going to use this product because it's destroyed. I was just kind of bummed because I was really excited to try it out and say how much I loved it. I got it in the color Brave, by the way, which is like this cool tone. It pulls a little bit purple, but it's beautiful. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it every day. But I reached out to the company just to like tell them that it was damaged. It was in no way their fault. They have so much packaging. It's all zero waste packaging too, which is amazing. And they actually have a policy where if anything is damaged, even like if I were to have damaged it, I were to have dropped it and damaged it, within 30 days, they will send you a refill. And so they actually sent me a refill. So it's the exact same color, it's the exact same thing. It's just not damaged. And so I'm going to wait and use this. I definitely think it's going to not take me as long as it normally would for this. I just realized it's kind of a yin-yang, which is pretty cool, if you ask me. Because I already have a little bit of pan peeking through from places where I just like didn't press it, and so it crumbled out. So I have a feeling that this is going to go by faster than the average blush. But I didn't want to not use it just because it was damaged. Honestly, I probably wouldn't have even emailed them if my boyfriend hadn't been like, okay, but it was like kind of an expensive purchase for it to come damaged, and I was like, you're kind of right. So I did, and I'm glad that they were such a good company with dealing with that. So it is a Canadian company, so it wasn't supporting a small American business, but it is supporting a very good sustainable business, and so I thought that it would be okay. And then the last thing is this thing my mother gave me. It's called Flawless. Like I said, I don't know if it's a small company. I have the packaging somewhere, but it's like, I have issues with razors. I can't shave because it affects my skin really badly. I get like really bad like rashing where I shave. I get like really bad irritation. I don't really understand it. I don't know. But so she thought that this like plucked hair, because she has like a rolling thing that plucks hair, and so she thought that this was like a mini version of that when she got it. I guess she didn't read the packaging, or like the packaging doesn't really say. But it's actually like a tiny little razor. I'm gonna turn it on for a second. That's just like going around. So it is cutting, it's not plucking. And so I was worried that I would have like the same reaction to it. And I've used it a little bit. I still get a little bit of a reaction. I usually get like bumps, which I think is like a normal thing that a lot of people get when they shave. So it's like getting me to the normal. But I think that it is going to be a really good thing in between waxings to use this, so that I don't have to wax as frequently, or if I'm at school and I don't have the flexibility that I do here, I can because I don't have like a car and I have classes, and so I can't just like pick a random time in the middle of the day. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, so yeah, I do think I like it, and I'm gonna continue using it. It's interesting, but yeah, it's called Flawless. That's all I know. I'm pretty sure she got it in Bed Bath & Beyond. But yeah, I really, really like it, and it's the one thing that's probably not a small company or women-owned company, because all of these are women-owned companies. I just realized that's really cool. But yeah, that's everything. Small birthday celebration with my family, which I love, and gifts that I'm actually going to use and want instead of a bunch of random stuff. Oh, and my grandmother offered to buy me she sent me a little card, and she offered to buy me a mattress or like a bed for my new apartment, back at school, which I think I already have. My friend is giving me like one of their old ones, so I don't think that's going to be an issue, but she said that if I needed to get one, that she would cover it. So yeah, that's like a TBD gift. But yeah. Oh wait, I have one more thing. This was kind of a self-gift, but I got myself these Natasha Tonic, which is this swimsuit company that makes everything out of hemp, and it's plastic-free, so you're not really seeing microplastics, and it's a company that I really want to support, and I'm really excited to get a swimsuit from them at some point. But I'm not going to be swimming anytime soon or doing anything outside. But she's selling masks, and it's a one female-owned company. Do you get the theme? I'm not sure if you get the theme. But for every mask that you get, she makes one mask for a homeless woman in LA, and so I figured if I was going to support any brand that was doing that, it would make sense to support hers. And I actually got to feel the fabric that she uses for her swimsuits, and now I know that it's like high quality fabric, which makes me even more excited to actually get one when I end up getting it. It's so cool that this is hemp, and it feels exactly like cotton, maybe like a little bit tougher, honestly. And these are super beautiful. This one's reversible, so it was a little bit more expensive, and then this one is the same on both sides. But it's super cute, and it was a little bit cheaper. And they both fit me super comfortably. My family got some other reusable cloth masks from a woman who makes them, and I think these ones are better. I really like the other ones. They're super cute, and they're pretty comfortable, but I think these ones just fit my face better. So yeah, I really suggest checking her out and seeing if she's still making them when you see this video, if you're watching this video when we still need masks, which I assume you are, because it's not going to let up anytime soon. But definitely reusable masks are the best option, and so I'm really happy that I was able to support a company that's also supporting her community and get myself some masks that are also plastic free, so when I wash them I won't be releasing microplastics into the ocean. That's exciting. All exciting things. Anyway, other than that, thank you so much for watching. I implore that you look at the link down below. Even if you don't want to donate at all, that's perfectly fine, but just go check out 821. They're doing such amazing things, and that education is so important, and just by you getting educated about it would be doing such a service to the world and to your community. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Tell me your favorite birthday gift down below that I got, or tell me whatever you want for your birthday. I don't know what your birthday is. Or you're like, give me your zodiac sign. I don't know. I'm going crazy. If you want to look at my look, I posted it on Instagram, in my Instagram stories, so I don't know if it'll be up right now, but it might be. So go check that out. My Instagram's down below. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you next time. Bye!
Weren't you too scared to spell? No matter the